My name is Captain Theodore Wiley Bugglesford. I'm the proud captain of the HMS Mildred, named after my fantastic
Pirates!
We're coming to get you, boy! Come on!
The bloody pirates are gonna get us! Oh no!
crewman. Get me my red jumper.
I'll get it straight away!
Come on!
Here's your red jumper, Captain!
Or we're gonna bloody kill you!
When I get this red jumper on, all you boys are gonna have hell to pay.
I'll go get him, Captain!
Oh, you're gonna wish you were dead, boy! Ha ha!
Yeah!
Oh no, he's bloody killed him! He's dead! I'll see you later! Oh, we'll be back!
Oh yay! Oh yes! Oh, that's so great, Captain!
As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by them awful pirates, my name is Captain Theodore.
Pirates!
Oh, bloody hell!
We're coming to get you, boys! Come on!
The bloody pirates are gonna get us! Oh no!
Crewman, get me my red jumper.
I'll get it straight away!
Come on!
Here's your red jumper, Captain!
Oh, we're gonna bloody kill you!
When I get this red jumper on, all you boys are gonna have hell to pay. Yeah!
Go get him, Captain!
Oh, you're gonna wish you were dead, boy! Bloody cut my arm off, hasn't he? Oh, God, my bloody... Oh, bloody get you, you bloody boss! Oh, bloody scallywag!
Yeah!
Oh no, something really bad's going to happen to me! Why did the music stop? Oh! I'll see you later! Oh, we'll be back!
Yay! Oh yes! Oh, that's so great, Captain!
Excuse me, Captain. Me and the men, well, we were just wondering about your marvellous red jumper. Well, crewman, the key to conquering your enemy is to convince them of your invincibility. Therefore, if they see me bleed, they see me weak. I wear my marvellous red jumper so my enemy cannot see my blood.
Oh, that's great, Captain! That's brilliant!
Sorry about this, everybody. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by them awful pirates, my name...
Pirates!
Oh, bloody hell!
You're dead! I'm gonna get you, boy! Come on!
But the bloody pirates are gonna get us! Oh no!
Crewman, get me my brown trousers!